honey bird.
Really?
Making money with a motherfucking passion. Fucking bitches, that's all into fashion. You want a mad dog with these bullets I'm blasting. Shake the scene, no magic. Cruise on standby, waiting for me to take some the address. Not Bugs Bunny, but I love the carrots. Playing for life, not thinking about marriage. Your bitch is hoeing it, might as well share it. She got money, might as well take advantage. Fucked up child who grew up like a savage. Only real motherfuckers understand me. Life of a criminal dressed like a bandit. I loaf in a rag with check or status. Always on the street and my mama doesn't understand it. Pushed up my mind even when I'm rapping. I'm chopping the planet. Hoes on the dick. Like the way I'm swagging.
Helicopter. Good day, LA.
I see here that you grew up by the Watchtowers.
21 years.
So how was life living next to the projects?
Lots of gunshots. Lots of cops.
Oh, really?
Lots of violence.
Wow.
What's up?
Wake up early in the morning, then I smoke a blunt. I got the dickies on, look down, I got them cuffed. Blue trucks, blown on that blue stuff. Chunking the hood up, ain't fucking with no punk. Stay rocking Jordans, could never dunk. Hanging out by the gym and just smoking blunts. Clapping my hands, pumping the little homies up. Walking the killer, bet your mind will fuck him up. 5 years old, you learn how to chuck it up. Come to the PJs, you fuck around and get stuck. They said they seen Lil Drawz in the Bentley truck. Niggas mad cause they know I'm getting money, huh? You get a PJ tag and then you know you stuck. Me and my niggas in the lot, you know we smoking blunts. Come through, ride past, you get bust at. Lil niggas got the guns that'll fuss back.
Oh my God, where are we at, honey? We just got off the 105 and turned into Mona and 115. There are gang members hanging out everywhere. I see blue rags, blue J hats. It looks like we're in Toronto, but I don't know. I see little kids coming out of candy houses with big butts, blunt wraps, zigzags,
White people in the Maybach,
hair nappy. I can't believe it. Like, where are we at? They said this is Watts, California. Yeah, I think that's where we at, honey.
Girl, check it out, nigga. Y'all finished with the video or something? Can we use that motherfucker? Y'all ain't lost shit. We finna make a movie in like 2 hours or something. You know what I'm saying? We get this shit cracking right here. Y'all put up in the right spot. Y'all was looking for me. They call me Lil Drawz, you know what I'm saying? The CEO type of this type of shit. Big chains hanging low, all that. We getting money, young nigga lot. It's where it crack at, nigga. Let me see you play that. So I can hear out.